Are you applying to the GACTC Practical Nursing program? One important step in the admissions process is completing the TEAS pre-entrance exam. Did you know that one of the best ways to reduce admission stress is to take your TEAS exam early? The TEAS is a standardized computerized exam used to evaluate your academic readiness. It features 170 questions covering reading, math, science, and English with about 3.5 hours of testing time. For exam details, visit www.atitesting.com and select TEAS exam details under the TEAS menu. We highly encourage you to test early. It gives you plenty of time to focus on the rest of your application, reduces stress, and allows time for a retest if needed. Our required passing score is typically 50% or higher. Registering is easy. Just visit our Practical Nursing admissions page. From there, you'll find upcoming testing dates, step-by-step registration instructions, and a direct link to the ATI testing website where you will register and pay the testing fee at checkout. Taking the TEAS is very straightforward. First, visit www.atitesting.com and create a new student account. Under Select the school you are enrolled in or plan to attend, begin typing Greater Altoona, and Greater Altoona Career and Technology Center will appear in the available list. Complete the rest of the form and click Create an Account. Once you've read the terms and conditions and privacy policies, click the Yes, I agree boxes for each, then click Continue. To complete your registration, make sure the Student option is selected. You can skip the Student ID and Credentials sections. For your expected graduation date, simply choose a date around the time the course you are enrolled in should be completed. On the next screen, again, make sure the Student option is selected. Fill in all demographic information to the best of your ability. Then click Complete at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Once you have made your account, click Sign Out, then return to www.atitesting.com to register for the TEAS. From the ATI Testing homepage, move your cursor over the TEAS menu item so the drop-down menu appears. Then click on Register for TEAS. Then click Register under In-Person Proctored by an Institution. Make sure the program type has TEAS for Nursing Students selected. Select the drop-down in the Search By box and click School Name. Use the drop-down to find PA under the State category, then select Greater Altoona CTC TEAS under the School category. Click Search. Select an available test that works for your schedule. This will take you to the registration details page. Please read all of the information on this page as it reviews important information and frequently asked questions. Then click Continue Registration, then proceed to checkout. You'll be prompted to log in using the username and password you set up when creating your account. Then you'll be prompted for your credit card information. After reading the All Sales Are Final and TEAS Exam Attestation information, click the boxes to show that you have read and agree to the terms. Enter your billing information, and your registration is complete. Are you nervous about preparing for the test? We offer free TEAS preparation workshops. You'll learn exactly what to expect on test day, review free study guide resources, and get tips to help build your confidence. You can attend virtually, but we highly recommend attending in person so you can tour our modern nursing suite and meet our team. You'll even get a reminder the day before your workshop or exam with everything you need to know. Today's the day. Take the first step to your new career in healthcare. Visit our website and sign up today.